Going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have now approached to pause MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at the price of $26.74. With the 4 hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge there, and we did bounce right off the 100 moving average, this orange line. As we continue to extend out to the daily chart, we still remain in pause MACD, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. For support, that'll be where we encountered support in the past, as indicated with January 14th at around a price of $25.20. If we were to test that support level, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 6.8%, and to test resistance, we did encounter resistance in the past, as indicated with January 6th at around a price of $27.83, and that price movement to the upside is around 2.9%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $23.35, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $25.75, and my stop loss is at $22.61. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.55, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $24.15, and my stop loss is at $27.40. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 6.4%, and to the downside a 40% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 6.4%, and a 10% chance to fall between negative 6.4% to negative 12.8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.